Talk about the real life-based examples related to the astrology. Astrology have a power to change your life. As for me, no other birth chart is weak or stronger. A lot of time while practicing astrology and taking the consultation for my clients, what I have noticed, a lot of time a weaker birth chart have more power as compared to the stronger birth chart. So a lot of time, a weaker birth chart, people are more successful as compared to the stronger birth chart. Why? Because there is a specific reason. Astrology is not a subject to punish you. Astrology is a subject that guide you in the right direction. It shows your roadmap. This is a direction where you have to go, and this is a destiny where you have to move. A lot of time you will notice a people working in any organization or people working in any particular field, they are not getting success, and once they shift to a different career, suddenly they get the huge success, and that is known as a destiny in your birth chart. So as per the astrology, if you work as per your planets and if you work as per the pattern of the planets aligned in your birth chart, you will be started noticing, you will be started getting the success, and you will be started getting the results of your hard work. On the other side, if you go against your destiny, if you go against your birth chart shows that you should become an engineer, but you are a doctor right now. So you will not become a successful doctor because your destiny shows that you should become an engineer. So your career, your life pattern, everything is decided on your past life karmas. So if you are going to choose the career as per your birth chart, you will notice people who have chosen the career as per their birth chart, they are more successful in that work. On the other side, if you are going against your birth chart shows you should be working for the XY. Your birth chart shows that you should be a builder, but you are working in any organization. Your birth chart shows that you should have your own business, but you are working for someone, and that is where you go against your destiny. And when you go against your destiny, then you started getting the problem. This is a real life based example. There was one of my client who is a builder and who is a very successful builder right now, but before he become a builder, he has learned astrology. He is not an astrologer, but he has learned astrology, and he learned astrology for his own guidance and to just guide his family, friends, or someone who come for his need. Even after learning astrology, he has seen a huge success in his business of construction. And he is a builder right now, a successful builder. So, how come learning astrology helped him to become a great successful businessman? The reason is sometime when you activate something that may be connected to some zodiac sign, like if I talk about astrology, astrology as a subject is connected to Scorpio and Virgo. Scorpio is a zodiac sign of pain, transformation, and sudden event happening in the life. And Virgo is a Rashi which is connected to your daily life problems as well as going into the deep research. So now when he start learning astrology, he has activated his two important planet, that is a Scorpio and Virgo. Scorpio is a zodiac sign which is connected to the sudden events happening in your life, sudden success, sudden failure, sudden transformation. So when I've noticed, when I read his birth chart, then it was showing Scorpio was badly afflicted in his birth chart, and he learned Scorpio. He learned astrology, has relieved Scorpio, having lot of Rin, which was connected to the Scorpio, and that is the reason he was not able to get the success in his business. But just by learning astrology, that is the remedy connected to the Scorpio. Scorpio is a Rashi of transformation, and the remedy connected to the Scorpio zodiac sign is you should involve yourself into the research, investigation, anything which is a deep learning. And then he started learning astrology. And after learning astrology, he started helping people just free of cost, not practicing it professionally. Just by helping others, he will be able to see a growth in his business. So that is how interconnected it is. So if you start working for your birth chart, like doing mantra chanting, donation, this is one part of the remedy that you should do that will help you out to overcome your past life karmic blockages. But when you start working for your planet, when you start working for these houses, when you start working as per your birth chart, you will notice that all your life problem will be solved just like this builder. So astrology is not a subject to put fear in your mind. Oh, this planet is creating the problem. This planet is creating the problem, or my luck is not in my favor. You have to just notice what is your birth chart is asking from you. So let's take a second example. There was one guy who was having a placement like this. Fifth lord was sitting in the eighth house. So now fifth lord, which is connected to your past life karmas, which is connected to your affairs, and which is connected to your education, intelligence. That was sitting in the eighth house. Eighth house, which is a house of the pain, transformation, and overall major problems in your life. So now the fifth lord was sitting in the eighth house. Every time he was getting a lot of failures in his love relationship, because the fifth also represent your love, as a fifth also represent your love relationship. Before he met me, he was having a failures in his love relationship 4 times. And then I asked him to just learn astrology. After learning astrology, just completing his foundation of astrology within a 1 month time, he fall in love with the right person and he is right now happily married. And where the fifth lord sitting in the eighth, you will never ever get successful love marriage. So sometimes just a simple remedy as per your birth chart, you will notice that you will see a huge changes in your life. So that when the fifth lord sits in the eighth house, that represent failures in your love relationship. It is a karmic relationship with your partner, with whom you are in love with, or your relationship, whomsoever you will fall in love with someone, that love relationship will become a pain, because fifth house is love relationship and eighth house is the house of the pain. So just by learning astrology, he just started learning astrology, and fifth house is also connected to education. He started taking the education in the fifth house, start learning. Eighth house is also connected to the astrology, because that is how it is connected to the research. Just by doing that, his vibrations got changed and he started practicing let go. Once he practiced let go, he noticed that he ended up attracting the right partner and he's happily married now. So these small things makes a huge difference. It is just that you face a problem in your life. If in the present you are facing the problem in your life, that is you, not your birth chart. It is just that you are not working as per your birth chart, and that is the reason you started facing problem in your life. The day when you started aligning your planets, your stars in your favor, you will notice overall your life will be solved. So from these two examples, and these are the real base samples. So from these two examples, what is the lessons you are getting from this? You have to just work as per your birth chart. You have to notice which planet is sitting where. Which planet is sitting where, that matters the most. Which type of vibrations you are carrying from the past life, which type of rin you are carrying from the past life. The real way to solve your present life is you have to solve your rin. So your birth chart shows what are your past life karmic. Just as a builder, he was having the past life karmic connected to the Scorpio. So just by learning astrology, he was able to pay off the rin connected to the Scorpio. The second example, the fifth lord was sitting in the eighth house, so he was having a rin connected to the love relationship. He paid off just by learning the eighth house. So these are the logical remedies that can be seen from your birth chart. Aside, you have to do the mantra chanting, you have to do the donations. Donations and the mantra chanting will help you out to pay off your karmic blockages. But once you started working for these planets, your life become very easy and you started moving towards your destiny. As I told you, if you go against the nature, nature will create the problem for you. But if you go as per the nature, your life will be solved. So no other planet sitting in your birth chart will tell you this is a problem, that is a problem. You have to just focus. Okay, so this planet is sitting here. Just like Ketu is sitting in the fifth house and the Rahu is sitting in the 11th house, then the person is going to get a lot of karmic lessons connected to the love relationship. Now, you need to channelize the energy of the Ketu sitting in the fifth house in the right direction. Involve yourself into the spirituality, do something which is connected to the research, and you will notice your love relationship part will be solved. So these small things makes a huge difference in your life. So astrology is not a subject of the fear, this is a subject of the guidance. Har Har Mahadev.